Sa, no mucho, kwenu.
Gashi, ayiko. Me that's what it. Je me yama bebe woni so. Ana waje una wo shempra o mechi. Na kwa. Hey, wo ye ni papa ni papa. Na mama kwa de se mama ni subie po. Ye di extraction so. Me fi mu fia. Wo, se me kwa me fa ba ma biem. Je me yama wo na mako hia de na no. Mako hia no. Mako hia de na. Me se atisem na wo fa enwa wo. Jane enwa wo. Atisem ha.
Jane.
Blah, me fellow pa. Mako sia jina. Me ko sia no. Chese, eni ono no opeso twa me mentu. Na wei den na me yi ko sia. Me yi ko sia se be boju afedie. Ai, eye no frena, wo be pe no. Na ono na chese. Oh, ono no wo boy kra na. Wo se boy kra de onye ne ho ade. Hey, wo ye fo papa. Ya ka mema nyina wo na ya fun. Hey, me for many to be na so bie wo. Hey, never come here me.
I will say. Ni panefo, pati asi, ni panefo. Jack. Adre bia no. Me ka kire wo se, magoli ko oba ba ko. Enemre mpa wan pa na benya so oba. Ebe hwe no. Minia, enka minia ni se aka mentia o. Jen, uti. Nipa nefu. Esro. O ba pra, o ntinye nya wo fempa antia. What you say?
Ana easy so cross search we do put me oku.
Yes.
What you say? Oh, nti me ya we pa but ipiska akra. Na me ya adum na semtimi ye alo antis na me nya stay mu bia. Etinya poso.
Bra, ye o kan say o piska. O de kakra na wanya. O de jahwe. Dear we no minimum say no, mean quartel to say, Ebia, Minia, yes. By that could no, a bit my old dabone. Because say you know when what is it? It's a bear forget, scan when you know the fire, baby papa, eh? Me person back was animal into the so quite been dream, not dream home. A bit wow.
That's one. Why are they? What can be? Sisilia sika me woda husia se me chai ade ne se kim oh I heard 2 weeks in what you say enti o de relax mama e what to be why are there oh to de ni problem oh me dwena ho so ana nya say me pen am de ye but aho kire ne sa na me
ni aho kire lokaci de kira o be ko fa de fam
ba ma ho se wo before ba
Kebla, je me dis que ne sont pas. Mani ada ne sont pas de moi hier.
O de mention ni, o hwe ni no for teaching me. Mention ni, o tuni ni ma o.
Ni po de fou pas. Me ba sa ka me ku no pa mi ya me.
Me be fie ni aka bi bia why cha so ye ma for da for ke you jam itacha and you get your brand you tie bro e serious e wi asimu ha ansa na wo be nya oba onu be yi ni sika dia ma enye beten sa o he minua na me pe wa sama nka me nka we nchiro he double life bia what you say me pe wase mo boy there was a kind of say there was I wasn't trust any money now
Good afternoon.
I hope somewhere.
Where pa?
Wow, your friend with Grace now, sir.
Your friend is Seven.
Wow. We didn't know when I'm sick. I'm person me need drink komobi. Oh, komona me need wood. What's here say? So the wild where what's here flow slim and chair flow bolo. So what here say?
When you drink, yes, come on, I said, yeah, oh,
oh, I scan come on. Oh, a real way out better now, you see. Cows can be a sing out, she baby, and can enjoy. Oh, the same new discount come on. Now, no man, now talk. I prefer. So what I say?
Me miss Lemonade. Really a boy, with Miska. And no go hold bar and come on town. As over over corner. Ne fala sika. Ne mpe fala sika o mami.
Your hands are gone. A dead man's gone and you're looking down the sides. Your heart is warm.
It's when so far as he can add a body. I'm in trying. It's a man. Mammy called in a dino. Emma. To me, chance I could be sober. Or Babbage or bamboo 10%.
Yes, I'm still customer agent.
Maybe, baby.
Oh, the make us a master. Yes, I mean, no, wow, the shame. Oh, Skaka Samity. Still swam, let's see. But some do call level now, but some do for and I'm do call another level. The size can swim, which is can't count a man's sky bomb. Now I'm a do and I'm a share what parents now this one. I'm to me said, no call a dog boy. It's not my chalk one side and you drink of one.
Oh, not out here. You see, no, Professor, you cook
the same do coffee, a mouth massive.
And the seams are torn and they've given you a reason to fight. And you're not gonna take what they've got to give, and you're not gonna let them take your will to live, because they've taken enough and you've given them all you can.
So me bona me bie no me ni suchira. Oh, now tears ye na enche. E be fra oboga.
one out of the 19th. You're going to be noting your Sahana.
Okay.
This cannot give was this stone. Scadie, Fabian, what to score ball as one. I may be able to so much can be a arban. Eh? It may be a scone behind, eh? Me.
Middofopa, so open movies bebre asha. Kwa GH Joy Time TV, our YouTube. Subscribe it. Name me adomaniso. Now be movies P ashe. Ya damwasi.
I won't save them tonight. They're giving you a reason to fight. And all the
I am sure you can help me.
Now who's you doing here, sir? Sorry. I was asking about your name.
Okay, I am Nala.
Nala. Yes. I want to know everything about you.
Okay.
Because I want to help you. In Ghana, I know every place. You know, I know every. I can take you to everywhere you want to go and do your research. So, where exactly do you want to go? We have Kentampo, Culture Center, Osu Castle, Fiema. We have many places in Ghana here.
Okay, like I said, I am a student, right?
Okay.
University student. My final year is where I am now. So I decided to come to Ghana to do my research, and I'm doing some kind of project work. I want to know much about how Ghanaians do their thing.
I got a mention dance here, more baby. I'm a Tianka, Sana, me business, me be, and I'm a do. So now, the same beside say, other person beside some commander, me new dear. I am ready. I am proud to say a Juman, the boss of Chilewa obey.
Say, many I can come. Abu alien head. Should be 2 minutes twice a say, me to be too much. She say you to me, woman, a man, a man, white. It means it's a coming ya. Need to talk. Say me do what you pam above you. So we come. So obey me. Now so obey me, Yami. What you say? It's in a money, dear, mammy. My serious, if you say, me chini many will be anyhow. Stop more than I said, no, baby, I'm mobbing. See more de Kulana. Sana more boys who here. How? Who's in your Maya wish them? Oh, mammy and woman. Take Monday and Yabre. So one for a cry and tell one and tell you.
Wow. Okay. And I'm a Juman so dear. Scow won't say if it has him being can't catch you.
When it's come to culture and stuff.
Okay.
So first, I would like to go to Culture Center.
Culture Center?
Yeah.
You don't have problem. I have many friends there. They do bees, crafts.
Yes.
You like that?
I think that would be the perfect place for me. I want to go there, and after that, I will go to King Tampo Waterfalls.
King Tampo, yeah, where the waterfalls. Yeah, you want to go there? I know that too.
Okay,
so don't worry.
Okay.
I will take you to where you want. But you are an African. Me too. I'm African.
Yeah.
I won't harm you. I will do you good. I will make you happy in Ghana here. So next time you come and see.
Oh yes, I'll definitely look for you.
Yeah, you come and see me.
Yeah.
But let me remind you. You know, I will leave all my work, all my job, and follow you, and make you know every place you want. But if I'm done with that, please, you have to show some kind of appreciation, because I'm going to leave every work I do.
So when you're Japan, now you're crowd, so obey ya, scadi, Ofanokwa, Okwaneske should do it. Mambisa so okukune da ubuno. Edu. The boy Jumane so chirewa, one sign train sandwich because a Juma will make catchewa. Unchim Blake, and one is our Japan, so obey.
Tinye Fleming, Muna Chiki, Muna the Elia, Muna the King Keeper, Muna the Bansa. You try nothing, you regret one I say. You try one I say, wow. Tea. A man, how can what can you mark a woman? Won't you say, ye quack of her? A beer, bros, your great mason. Now you go can say, ye quack, oh dear, oh. Nase dia betena hakekena ye no adu kusi yana manto keka nti mami wo adwuma na edi adwuma
ni de mudu.
Come on, you don't have any problem with that. Yes, this is my bag, and it contains a lot of money, golds and jewelries, you understand? So no problem. What you have to do is to help me out. You have to escort me, show me wherever I want to go.
Sika.
Is that right?
Yeah. I mean,
don't understand your language. So.
I like your appearance. That's why I'm saying that.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, don't do that. tobu test ni come on. I don't know say me na me ken. Obi alaje ma usika say tobu test e koma ayi endemofo. Fako yo ma doye. Is camera ni dey. Won't me can tell me say we discount. What dey want me tobu test ni fa. What dey fa send me ameto ako.
I know every corner in Ghana here.
Okay.
Like, I like foreigners, especially Kenya people. I want you to trust me. I will take you to every place you want.
Are you sure?
Yes! I will take you to every place.
I'm sure I'm very lucky seeing you.
Yeah! So, I'm taking you to my friend, my best friend. If you are looking for me, you can go there.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go there. I will do everything you want. You know, I will make sure that you see every place in Ghana here before you leave.
I can see you making my coming here comfortable. I'm happy that I saw you and I met you.
Let's go.
What do you need to see a crying bishop? Timim fiti prekope embodi me fefe wa ma me say yes aye krado obu edu say adwuma no beye asana ma bodi a che na say mi tie won ka say mu a aye krado say adwuma no beye
o se ni pampo ene bia pese o pese o me bi kam ho a me na akudura kuta mi ntena mi ntimi kese no
I don't like Jimmy.
Take her.
I don't do that. Unim, menya ko di say meflo.
Ateno. Totula. Hey boy. Like, you know, as I was saying, this is my friend.
Okay, hi.
Hi.
His name is Tika.
Hi.
Okay, to take her.
So, like, you know, I want you to trust me, to know where we stay, to know my best friend.
Okay, so he's your best friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Take her, right?
Yeah, Tika.
Yeah. Number one.
So, well, so we are back.
Okay. Matthias.
Okay, are you done with us?
Yeah, I'm done.
Alright. Take her, right?
Hey,
see you later.
Boy, so Matthias.
Oh, we are being alive.
ese makuma ne so ntino sem yakese a ni nya sa akukuduru no
well, guys now work on us venture. We know almost so I did. What do I matter? Because we hear them. Okay, now I said, I already said man obey. Any man say let's see.